be something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Far Point Farms, right here in the mountains of North Carolina. I am down off the mountain for business, and I came across this Survivor two-door Cavalier, and it's a special edition. I don't see the Z24 paperwork on it, like it doesn't have the stickers, but it is definitely kind of a higher trim model. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it is a Z24. Dude, these things you just don't see anymore, and this one is in great looking shape. Hopefully I don't get shot getting close to it, but I definitely want to show this thing off. Nice clean cloth interior on this. It is a 5-speed. Power windows, which was pretty darn rare. It's got a sunroof. That does not look factory, but it's got the V6 high output. Should be a 2.8, I believe, in this, but it might have even been larger. I think this is the 2.8 though. This is the same engine they put in Celebrities in the last year of the Citation. Would have had the multi-port fuel injection, I believe. But just look at it, man. These were disposable cars, right? They had about an 8 to 10 year lifespan, and this one has far exceeded that. So the fact that that thing is still around and in such pretty shape, I just had to stop and take a video of it and show it off. Sorry I don't have the good camera. I just got the cell phone for this, but man, isn't that pretty? And it's that kind of 90s turquoise, and that's original paint. It actually looks pretty dang good. It's not terrible at all. Yeah, I don't want to get too close in there, but dash isn't cracked. I mean, it just looks pretty. Nice car. 124,000 miles shown on the odometer, so truly a survivor right here in 2021. And well loved. We're here in North Carolina. This is from Pennsylvania, so this car's getting driven. Not bad at all. Just a little bit of rust popping through in a couple places, but nothing life-ending. Anyway, that'll do it for today. Take care.